Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee Mpcc President Kaisham Meghachandra has held Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Union Home Minister Amit Shah and former Chief Minister Biren responsible for the ongoing chaotic situation in Manipur. He made the statement during the launch of Sanbidhan Bachao Rashtriya Pariyatra Jai Bapu Jai Bhim Jai Sanbidhan Abhiyan campaign at Phogden Kairenbi Lai Lampak, organized by Wangkhem Block Congress Committee. Addressing the gathering, Meghachandra accused Modi-led central government and state's BJP administration, stating that the suffering of the people has intensified since the introduction of double-engine government. He alleged that Manipur's present condition is a direct result of the state government being controlled by the central leadership. Highlighting the plight of displaced citizens, he pointed out that law does not permit individuals to remain at relief camps for over 21 months, arguing that such prolonged displacement is a violation of constitutional rights. Meghachandra criticized the government for failing to address the situation, stating that disregarding the rights of Indian citizens is equal to violating Constitution of India.
Manipur ki sarkar miyam ki mihut ki lainga kase masi hekta khanjan banate miyam ki hak miyam si miyam ki vote thadar ka yam na sakti leiba lainga kase phammu haiga phamba lepu haiga lepa adu bol lainga kado leibedegi ngasi ekoi Manipur da khangtheng wari masi gi lainga kasida leibase ahum maru ina soibedegi ngasi Manipur da thohaidaba khawa miyam mama oibasingna Milugi pirang sinthariba mapa oibasingna masa kainabagi awaba kaya nangiba tongan ba sahi cha kaya degi yum kai saduna lejaraba kaya isun konduna yum gi boundary ba pasak khangjadraba mi lising fu henba ari ba praja miyam hojik phawa relief game le ngasi wari ba mayam sinase asigumba leader ahum asina wafam ahum soibedegi ni haibasi haimen da throgroi